Teradek TV allows viewers to text and voice chat within spaces through the Teradek TV app. Communicate with only the users in your space and avoid cross-communication noise between different departments. Voice and text chats must be enabled for your space by an administrator or coordinator. To enter the text chat within the appropriate project and space, select the chat bubble on the top right of the screen. This will open the chat panel where you can type real-time messages with your collaborators. For security purposes, your chat history will clear once you quit the app. Select the chat bubble icon to close the panel. Start a voice chat by selecting the green Join button. If prompted, allow microphone access. You'll enter the voice chat and be able to talk with those who have also entered. Mute your microphone or speaker with the buttons. The number of participants is displayed next to the people icon. Select the icon to show a list of users and who's participating. Select the Leave button after your chat session is complete to exit. To learn more about Teradek TV, please visit Teradek.tv.